All right, what's going on? Just make sure everything is up and running. Want to make sure the volume is down on YouTube so don't have any feedback. I know it's been a minute. And let's go live on IG as well. I am working from the bed, literally just waking up. So we're about to get started as soon as I have some type of video on YouTube. Just want to make sure everything is good. But man, today was a very nice trading day. All right, cool. The video is up on YouTube. We'll mute it out. All right, cool. So let's talk about what happened in the market today. We had some news that came out. Let me go to that screen real quick and show you exactly what I'm talking about. Where is internet? Right here. Internet. Go to Forex Factory. This is where a lot of traders come to get their update for news. This is just one website. You also have my FX book and investing.com. They'll let you know what news events come out. So I was at work and I forgot to check news. So 7 o'clock rolls around. You see we have a lot of red folders. 7:15, Bank of England, Governor Bailey speaks. I haven't really dove into the fundamental side of trading, but I know it's, of course, it does affect the market. So I'm actually getting ready to join one of my friends' groups and really learn how fundamentals impact the market. So, well, typically I don't like trading red folders, but I went ahead and stayed in some of my trades today. And I'm kind of glad that I did because I did get the push up. I was in some buys earlier, had everything kind of marked off for you guys. So let's kind of go over that as well. So where you see the two X's, those were missed buy opportunities. Really nice setup. Using my old strategy that I started out trading with, which was the teacup strategy. So using the 50 and the 4, there was a really nice inverted teacup right here. So you had a bearish candle, bullish candle, higher high, higher low candle. So you had 1, 2, 3, 4. Found the level of support right here. Came back and retested there. So that was the miss. Before I caught the buy, I was able to catch the sell. So let me just start over and kind of give you the rundown. So what is the obvious prevailing trend? Well, I would say the obvious prevailing trend is bullish. So 50 moving average is here. The candles finally broke and closed above. You had a nice little pullback and continue to push up. So we've been looking for nothing but buys, right? Once we got up to this area where the check mark is, price just made a high and it failed to break and close above. So this was Sunday. All right, this was, I want to say, last week, which was what? So that's the 16th. So this was Friday. Caught this move going up Friday. Sunday, the market opens. All right, we failed to break above. hence the sell off, right? And then price pulled back, retested, tried to push up again, failed to create any more higher highs. So I'll just put like a little zone here. Drops down, right? You have a nice little level of support right here, another inverted teacup a couple of times before price ended up breaking that support level. So I was able to capitalize on this drop. I had a feeling like, okay, if price does not break and close below this area, then I can't necessarily say we are in a bearish market. So what happened? Well, price kind of just set up for another buy. All right. And in between time, you know, we did have another selling opportunity. So if I put it on a line chart, I can kind of see right here, this was another selling opportunity. So this was kind of like intraday play. Was able to catch, but I wanted to look for buys. So, you know, as I always prepare for the next week, what I'm starting to do now is to kind of grade trades setups, right? A or one will be intraday play. B or two will be swing opportunity. Okay. That's just for me personally. I'm not a scalper. I am more of an intraday / swing trader. And I feel like I'm actually prepping to get into position trading and actually holding my trades a little bit longer using like the daily time frame. So this green area was a nice selling opportunity, came down. 50 moving average is kind of moving sideways. So you do have consolidation. This was a one big consolidation range between here. So there's a lot of little things that I've noticed while I've been trading. Put it back on the candle so you guys can see it. All right. So with that being said, waited as after price retested here and pushed up, it started to create the higher high, higher low scenario. So as it pushed up, it pulled back down, kind of give you another short selling opportunity if that's what I was looking for. And I started to look for the selling opportunity, but once I got to my computer, I kind of realized, I mean, we're still in the uptrend, so why am I looking for sales? So since we never really broke here, I went ahead and decided to put a buy in around this area, and I took the trade off of the daily time frame, right? So I got on the daily. I was like, all right, we haven't really broken below here, so I can't necessarily look for sales. Let's just look for, let's just get in for the buy. Went back down to the hour time frame. Went ahead and said, okay, I'll get in here at a low position, right? A 0.02. Well, let me go back. I was in a position and my take profit was hit, but then 7 o'clock rolls around. This crazy looking candle pushes up and then the market pushes back down, right? Back down to this area. So once I saw this candle starts to reject and push the market back up, I went ahead and added a position at 0.02, 0.09, right? Price, pulls back down. And it looks like we had another retest around this same zone here. So I went ahead and stayed in the trade. I went to sleep. I woke up, and the reason why I woke up was because my alert went off on my phone to watch this level here, which was at 182.005. So, okay, 006, right? Same ballpark area. So when my alert went off, I was like, all right, I'm going to set another buy right up here. Okay. I'm only risking $33, right? Once this trade breaks above here, my stop loss will end up shifting up, right? And then I'm going to secure those profit as well. So right now, this trade is up 20 pips. I want to wait for it to break above that 182.35 level, and then I will secure some profits. So I want to give it some breathing room before I do that. But this was the update for pound JPY. Now, where am I looking to take pound JPY once we kind of get out of this whole area down here? I would like to see pound JPY get up to like the 183 area, 183.93 as well. So that's the areas that I'm going to be watching, and I will give another update. Long term wise, I mean, this is kind of shooting for the stars. Let's go to the daily. I could see us shooting up to 188. So let's wait and see. I'll do another update. Can't wait to kind of share the outcome of it. And eventually we'll make our way up to the 190. So we've been trending bullish for a couple of months now. All right, probably since mid-March. Yeah, mid-March, we've been trending to the upside. So that's what I'm looking to see. Was able to catch and capitalize on a lot of these moves. So been able to get in, make my money, get out, get in, make my money, get out. So that's the kind of reason why I want to switch into position trading and just hold the trade for a number of days, a number of weeks, number of months. And when it's time for me to get back in, I'll just get back in and just trail my stop losses and whatnot. So that's the update. I've been updating everybody inside the Telegram group as well. One of the members did pass their phase 1. So congratulations to her. Super excited for her. All updates have been added inside the WTO Trade Talk, as well as the Discord for WTO. Looking forward to sharing more information. And here's a few tips for those of you who are looking to get into trading. You don't know how to, you don't know where to start. First, what you would want to do is get into some type of education, right? Gbpjpy.com is a great resource. There's a website. If you type in market structure for Forex, I can't remember what the website is. I'll have that video for the next one. How to kind of get into Forex, and not even just Forex. You can do this with stocks. You can do this with options as well. It's universal. It applies. But having an understanding of structure, basic stuff like support, resistance, how to identify a trend, a trending market, things like that will make a huge difference. And the reason why I say that is because your money is tied to both markets, whether you have a bank account with the following banks: Wells Fargo, Chase, JP Morgan. They're using your money to trade in this market. If you have a job that offers a 401k, your money is going to be tied to either the S&P or the NAS 100. So now this stuff is not foreign to me. I can watch the news, the Money Channel, and I can see what's going on in the world, and kind of just pay attention to what's happening with my money. So definitely a skill to have. It pays great. I can trade whenever I want to. As you guys can see, it's 3:15 in the afternoon, and I'm about to go chill with the family and kind of let my money work for me. So if you guys got any questions, shoot me a message. I hope you guys enjoyed this Instagram live as well as this YouTube live. You can reach me via Instagram at Dapperman Trade. or on Telegram at Dapperman Trade as well. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow. I'll see you guys. Probably tomorrow we'll do another update of where pound JPY is and maybe do a live. Well, no, tomorrow's Friday. Can't do it Friday. We'll do another update on Sunday. Sunday evening, we'll do an update. Probably around 7 or 7:30. All right. So I'll catch up with you guys later. Peace out.